Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to attempt doing this voiceover for you to enjoy. I am really going through pain right now. MP. So first of all, if it's your first time here, you're welcome. I'm just trying to lay my wig, and you just see me trying to put my edges to rest so that I can wear this wig. That's the good thing about curly hairs. You don't need your hair to be flat. So this wig I got it like 3 years ago from Lamira Hair. But there how much I got it now. Go the rich say when I buy the hair. Everything together was 18,000 naira if I'm not wrong. The frontal and the bundle, but I turned it into a wig myself. So yeah. Now I'm just wearing the wig to come on. Come on. I'm just doing the wig to, see I was looking for the dimension, yeah. So now these ear parts been they fear everybody. People are usually scared of the ear tabs, like they will get the cutting of the front, but the ear tabs are usually scary, and that is the main reason why I'm making this video. So I show you how I cut the ear tabs. And there was this video I saw on TikTok of a girl that says just follow your ear line and just cut it. I'm just packing my hair to the back to put it away so that I don't go and be cutting hair strands of the hair. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So now, like I said, you know where the top of your ear is. See where my hand is tricking there? That is where your scissors should follow. Before it was confusing. Everybody was always do a C curve. Like that shit is confusing. Like it's giving my eye turn back. So you can see the line I was drawing. If you're a visual learner, this will really help you. And yeah, I just use my scissors to measure the top of my hair going down, because basically that's where it's supposed to be, right? That curve thing is so. I learned on TikTok. If I can find the video, I will probably impute it here. And it worked. It surprisingly worked, I'm usually always very scared because I have this thing that we call teddy. I don't know what other people call it, but most of us call it teddy, where there's a lot of hair going towards your sideburns, right? I mean, they call it sideburns, but I don't know what is burning. I know it as teddy. So yeah, basically, I look at it. It worked. Like, I know it looks like it's pulling my ear. I'm going to cut it off and do it properly, but look, it looks good, and it doesn't hurt at all. So yeah, and the things I did, yeah, that's just the extra. I just cut it off instead of that whole curve that you go and cut letter C, then you will not cut the whole of your front edges and not have anything. I was just showing you that it's okay. Sometimes when some hair comes off, it is normal. Yeah, basically. So I'm going to say the good and the bad of this hair. Although it was 3 years ago, maybe the quality is better. I do not know. I bought this with my money. So I was so excited. I feel like the lace frontal is a higher grade. This is me just putting Got2b gel on my hair just to make it stay, because I was about to go out with my babe. We're having a girls' night out. It was me and Onyeka. We're going to see a movie. So yeah, you can just watch and just listen to my review. So yeah, the frontal is very good. I was very impressed with the frontal quality. I feel like the rest of the hair behind was just a filler, in all honesty. That is not super great. But of course, I would say for the price, it did good, because at the end of the day, when you see this hair, you'll be like, oh my God, I want this. And I did not upload this video until I had worn it. I've been wearing the hair now for over a month. Yes, for a month now. And it's alive. And this is what I'll say. I'm impressed with the frontal. It's doing okay. The back hair is less quality, but I mean, it's doing its work. what I would say about this hair is that this hair really sheds. Like, oh shit, it really sheds. But there's no hair that doesn't shed far. And I feel like for the price point, I have been wearing this hair to work every day. And so far so good. The hair never finish. Hair is still plenty for the week. If I tell you say the hair they shed plenty, or if I'm sorry, if I tell you that the hair is, for those of you who don't understand the pigeon, if I tell you that this hair is shedding, you'll be like, eh, boy, still plenty, boy, still plenty. Eh, it's plenty because it's full and I like full hair. At least the hair has not finished on the wig. So, and I've worn it for 1 month and I comb it every day. You know, when it's not at work and it's just a party or with friends, I like it full. I comb it out, so almost be like afro kind of thing. That's why I actually really like the hair. I like that part of it, you know. I had to wear my glasses. I couldn't see what I was cutting. I was cutting with faith. But yeah, whatever. So I mean, me also, I don't know if you're going to see this hair for 18,000 naira because the 18.5 in 2022. That's a big joke. I mean, you can ask who. Me, I will probably drop the link down below. But the main essence of this video was to just show you how to cut your sideburns. I mean, this one you can watch it and enjoy the rest of the video. You know, it was just basically got to be, and I put it on there. I found it dry. I wore a scarf for a few minutes. It really looked good. But in all honesty, this was the only day I actually really had time to spritz it. So the other times I just used the band and wore it. Maybe I should impute pictures of how, yeah, I will do that towards the end. So if you want to see all the ways I've styled it, you gotta go to the end, baby. So watch, enjoy. It's nice. For the price point, it's good. For 1 month, it has served me well. Will you find this hair? It probably might still be there. Would it still be 18K? Probably not. Probably not. That's been 3 years ago, so don't be ridiculous. But you never know. You never know. All right, I love you guys. Please share, like, subscribe. Tell me what you think. I hope you do enjoy this video. It's just a laid back one. Kisses. See you next time. Hopefully I find good music for you, a good word for you to listen to. Okay, bye. Oh, and I also styled it. You're gonna see at the end. Basically, I just like it really full, but yeah.